All right, action. We're gonna call this Sunday Bloody Sunday. Um, Not gonna be a everyday Sunday thing, but you never know when it's gonna pop up. Today we're gonna try this Charleston Bloody Mary mix. I found it at my local Publix, but I'm sure you can find it all over the place. It says 2/3 mix, 1/3 vodka. So that's going to kind of be the ratio that I'm going to go for. I always go with my crunchy ice, so that's what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to start off with just a little bit of ice, pour my mix, then my vodka, and then the rest of my set ingredients for today. All right. So nothing fancy here. So let's just kind of do I don't know, 4 or 5 count. Looks about good there. All right, then a 5 count on my vodka. Perfect. Then my mixers, or my extras, I guess I would call it. Celery salt, that's my number one. That's my A plus. Little dash of that. Bear down, F the Packers. A little bit of pepper. Perfect. I like a little hot sauce. A couple drops. Worcestershire. Oh yeah. A little bit of that. That was actually too much. That's okay. Squeeze of a lime. And then we'll throw a little piece of celery in there, but let's mix this first. Perfect. Celery for my garnish. It's going to go floating down. There it goes. And then I myself am a big fan of a beer back. Great tasting, less filling. Miller Lite, 96 calories, 3.2 carbs. Not that I know that by heart. Give it a little mix. Oh yeah. It's a spot. I'm not sure how I could rate a Bloody Mary because I feel like a lot of them are all pretty much the same. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an insight on what I like. Do me a favor, and in the comments section, tell me what you like to put in your Bloody Marys, and we'll see if we could find those items and add them in there. I know a lot of people like to put a lot of pickled things. I'm not the biggest fan of olives. I know those go in there, but hey, if you guys want to see it, we'll give it a try. Last but not least, make sure that you are liking and subscribing our videos. That's a huge help for all of our channels. On YouTube, I have the Instagram set up there, and then on Instagram, I have the YouTube set up in there. So if you could find both, subscribe, like these videos, that would go a really long way to kind of fulfill our adventure here. All right, that's all for now. Happy Sunday. Cheers, everyone. Adios. Quick little Miller Lite rating for the end here. 10 out of 10. It always is.